Hi guys, it's me Cass and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're back in Toca Boca world, and I'm here to share another recipe with you guys. But the question is, what recipe are we going to make today? Well, do you guys like chicken? If yes, then this video is for you. What are you guys waiting for? Come on guys, open your Toca Boca game and join me in this video. So if you guys are ready, then let's start this video.
Awesome! Wow!
Yay!
Oh, wow!
Yummy!
That's all the chicken recipes I know how to make here in Toca Boca. So if you guys know of any other recipes that aren't in my video, you guys are free to comment down below. So that's it for today's video, guys. And if you guys liked this video, please like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell, so that you guys are always updated on my new posted video. So until next time, guys. Bye, y'all.